Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Changoval, and if you want to start your journey in data analysis, then SQL is one of the most important skills you need to learn. So in this video, I will teach you SQL basics in just 10 minutes. Let's get started. SQL starts with structure query language. It is used to communicate with database. In simple words, it still helps us to read, filter, and analyze data streams in the table. For example, if you are working in a company and you want to find a total sale, top product, or customer data, you will use Excel. Now, let's understand the data. Here I have a sample table called the sample data. See, we have total 9,000 records in this sample data. Let's start with the most command select. Selection is basically a selecting this table. If you want to select top 10 records, you will basically write top 10 start from this particular table. This will give you the top 10 records, any random top 10. So, if you want to order your data, like you want to see the order, top 10 records by the order date. So we have the order date, order, order by the order date, order by the. If I didn't write any ascending or descending syntax over here, by default I'll get the order in the ascending order. So I'll get the top 10 records order by the first order date. If I put the descending DST, I'll get top 10 order by the latest 10 orders. I'll get. So this is the use of order by and the select we have understand. Now let's filter out this data. You can see the shift mode over here. Let's understand how many shift mode we have. So here I'm just writing this thing, shift mode. Okay, I see shift mode. So here we have total 4 shift modes. I just want to see well, how many of them are like first class. So if I want to write where clause, just simply write shift mode equals to first class. So now I get top 10 records where the shift mode is first class. So with the where clause, I can filter out my table. And with the order clause, I can get top 10 order by the order date. Descending. If I put descending, then we get the latest top 10 order where the shift mode is first class. It's a simple and classic example right now. See you in the next video.